there. That's Turin, Italy. It's not exactly. It's not exactly a tourist center of Italy. It's more like the industrial heart of Italy. And when we ended up there, Frank, who of course was the moving spirit of the whole thing, absolutely fell in love, because this is a place you could have anything cast, anything done in a foundry, anything machined, any piece of sheet metal could be bent in any shape, and it was available in anything from two-people shops to Fiat. And it took Frank about a year, but by that time he knew every nook and cranny of the place and could find a place to get anything done. And he enjoyed it hugely. Now, what we started with, trying to make a living, is make speed equipment, which was kits to mount on cars to make them go faster. And seeing as we had a friend who was already doing it for Italian cars, we specialized in other European cars. Here's a sample of one. It's for Peugeot 203. And this one was important because it was the first kit we made in which some of the parts were actually proprietary to Metromechanica. Frank actually had the patterns made for casting the valve cover and also the cover, and having machined and powder coated was part of it. He enjoyed them very much. The next thing we did was a Formula Junior. Now, Formula Junior was a racing category which had to be an 1100cc engine and a transmission which were from a production car. The idea was to make it cheap. And of course, Italy was where they started. Eventually, of course, they were made all over. And one of our distributors in the States called Moness told Frank, hey, would you build a Formula Junior? Frank said, of course. So we built one. Only thing is, of course, he thought that was a silly thing to have an engine in the front, which all the Formula Juniors at the time had. And he put the engine in the rear and took a 600 Fiat transmission, flipped it upside down so he could make it work behind the engine. And instead of using a standard 1100cc engine of Fiat or whatever was available, which all the 1100cc engines had very weak bottom heads, he started with a Peugeot 203, which was 1200cc. And it was an aluminum block with steel liners, and he had liners made which were 1100cc. Now, the car was finished and shipped to the United States, and only thing it ever succeeded at is actually it won the Canadian Championship one year, driven by a gentleman by the name of Polivka. But we sold a whole bunch of those Peugeot engines because they were a big hit in the Formula